Good morning. Reliance Infrastructure has approached banks for Rs 70 billion loan to fund a new rail project in Mumbai. Piramal Life Sciences has started phase 2 clinical trials of a molecule aimed at treating diabetes in Europe and India. The Great Recession is now dead. US stocks surged after a private research group announced that the Great Recession ended in June 2009. The Dow clocked a triple-digit gain and the S&P 500 crossed a key technical level. However, the US markets overlooked the SAR report on home builders' confidence and renewed concerns over the Eurozone debt. Market participants are waiting for tonight to learn whether the Fed unveils any new asset purchase plan or hints at doing so in future. The FOMC commentary will also be important. Also look out for US housing data and an Irish bond auction. Some trouble likely here. We expect a higher start due to positive global cues. With FII inflows in top gear, the Sensex and Nifty will pierce new milestones. We would urge some caution given the problems plaguing the world economy. Also, the recent surge has been too fast, though not as fast as November 2007, and therefore calls for some consolidation and correction. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 17.92 billion in the cash segment on Monday, provisionally according to the NSE website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 4.57 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 9.6 billion. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 17.15 billion in the cash segment on Friday according to the SEBI website, and mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 3.45 billion on the same day. The other news for the day is, watch out for Delta Corp as its board has approved a preferential allotment to 3 investors. Indian Oil Corp and other public sector oil marketing companies have raised prices of petrol by a few paise per litre effective midnight. REC has received the status of an infrastructure finance company from the Reserve Bank of India. Hindustan Copper plans to sell excavated waste rock used to lay roads and railway tracks, raising as much as 60 billion rupees. Jindal Steel and Power plans to set up a 55 billion industrial park at Parang, and Wockhardt expects to close all issues pertaining to its corporate debt restructuring in the next few months. Hexaware Technologies has revised its current quarter revenue guidance upwards, helped by renewed demand for software services in its top market US. Orient Green Power Company is in the process of setting up 50 megawatt wind power project in Gujarat. Core Projects and Technologies has acquired 2 US-based education companies for $20 million. KSK Power Venture PLC has tied up 160 billion rupees loans for its 3,600 megawatt thermal power project in Chhattisgarh. Godrej Industries has set up a $50 million venture capital fund to invest in agri startups. Yes Bank has kicked off the process of rate hikes, increasing its benchmark prime lending rate by 50 basis points to 17.5%. Jet Airways has decided to leave 5 additional A330 jets for the US-based Intrepid Aviation Group LLC to serve the rising demand for international travel. Symphony Capital is said to have exited Orchid Chemicals completely by selling its 2.97% stake. SRF said that it will take up 3 R&D driven projects costing around 2 billion rupees at its Dahej chemical complex in Gujarat. The Steel Ministry has said that it may seek concessions for SAIL and NMDC from the 26% profit sharing rule proposed in the draft mining bill. The Steel Ministry has made its opposition known to certain proposals in the new mining bill that seeks to remove reservations of mines for PSUs. Major cement companies hiked prices by Rs 57 per 50 kg bag with immediate effect due to increase in input costs. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are: a buy on IFCI, we advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 62.5 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 60.50 for a target price of Rs 66.50. A buy on Sesa Goa, we recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 337 for a target price of Rs 353 and the stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 329. The derivative strategies are: short Crompton Greaves September future in the range of Rs 312.50 to 314.50 for a target price of Rs 300.50 and the stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 318. And long Cipla September future in the range of Rs 370 to 319 for a target price of rupees 331 and a stop loss is to be maintained at rupees 310. Thank you and have a great day ahead.